can go down here? Oh, there's probably like emergency.
Yeah. Then why did it?
It's cool. They landed here. We're too close. With a small place.
Someone's injured.
Yes, it's emergency. Like someone need to take to the hospital that very quick. Galing ano, liit lang ng space ng helicopter na ito. Tapos nakapag-landing. Dito mismo kami sa harap. Siguro distansya mga ano. Isang kanto lang. There's probably ambulance waiting down there. The right side. Where the bus is. No, they're not coming here. There's an ambulance there. Right there. And then they need to take to the hospital. Pretty cool. Galing. O diba, bongga. Bilis pag emergency. Eh, so lucky. Ang lapit-lapit ko. The patient, of course, she's probably now in the ambulance car and needs to go to the hospital.
Where did they go though?
I can't see them now. They're on the other side. I don't know what's the helicopter waiting for.
What are you doing? Are you taking it?
Well, it's cool. We're just close to it. Everyone's taking video. Look at the entrance.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Hi, camera!
Hey, Kakako, don't show up. It's not
I want to
for-
see it take off.
Okay, I don't want you to show up on the video.
Why?
It is because it's not for fun. It's not for like, it's emergency landing, you know. Someone needs to take to the hospital. Did you see the?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's not funny or not for fun. It's more on serious.
The United States donated these helicopters.
How did you know?
I read an article online.
It could be this helicopter. It could be not.
No, there's three flying services helicopters.
Look at this. They're about to probably leave now. They're bringing the ladder back to the helicopter.
Yeah, there's three helicopters United States donated. 3 helicopters.
Why? Hong Kong doesn't have helicopter?
No.
Now it's cooling it.
No, in like 2005, this thing is 15 years old.
How did you know?
Huh?
You didn't even see what's the name of this helicopter.
I didn't, but the article said. Where's the ambulance?
The ambulance, of course, along the road there. Stop. It will not go to where the helicopter is.
What's the helicopter doing? Why does it keep on
Waiting
changing?
for the people that sent a patient to the ambulance car.
We have to go.
I think we need to leave now. Alright, see ya. We will soon, whoever you are. Friends, let's go. I don't want you to show up.
What is it?
There we go, Hong Kong. Ali! Where are you going? It will take off soon. Just waiting for some equipment.
Huh?
They're waiting for some equipment back to the helicopter and then they will take off. They're about to take off. Alright. Taking off now.
Wait, what? Where's it going at?
It's gonna turn. Alright, let's go. Go, let's go. Okay. Doon na siyang layo niya na.